Okay, well done for finishing the first lesson. Let's try practicing what we've learned by reading this next few lines of Hebrew letters. Okay, so the instruction for this short video is every time we start a line, you pause the video and read the letters of that line with the nikud. Try reading it yourself first and then click play to hear what is the pronunciation like. So, without further ado, let's begin with the first line. Pause now to try and read it aloud yourself. Make sure to read it aloud. Pause now. Okay, now we're back and we're gonna read it together. So read with me and make sure you got that right. And if you got something wrong, then look at your mistakes, remember it, and fix it next time. Okay? Let's go. A, E, I, A, U. Next line. Pause the video now so you can try it out yourself first. Ba, Be, Vi, Va, V. Next line. Ha, He, H, He, Ha. Next line. Va, Vi, U, O, Ve, Va. Next line. Go, Do, U, Bu, Vu. How was it? Was it easy? Was it hard? Try rewatching the video and see if you can fix your mistakes. If something is not clear, try rewatching the last episode. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.